Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team and today's video is all about send WhatsApp messages to students when they enroll in Teachable course from Razorpay automatically. So this video is all about notifying your students immediately and automatically once they get enrolled in your Teachable course. And in this video, I am enrolling the students when they are making a payment in Razorpay payment gateway. But it is not just like that. This process can be done with the Razorpay only. If you are using Instamozo payment gateway, or if you are enrolling the students maybe via some form submission, then also this type of automation can be done. So just follow my instructions and watch this video till end, and you will be also able to create this kind of automation for your business. So this is the course which I am selling using Razorpay payment gateway, and you will see that when student makes a payment, he or she will be added to the course automatically here in Teachable account, and the same student will get an automatic message on his WhatsApp. So to create this kind of automation, I'll have to build a connection in between Razorpay, Teachable and WhatsApp, but sadly there is no direct connection in between these three applications. That is why I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. So let's begin with the process. Type pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter. This is how you will reach to the page of that automation software which we are going to use. From this blue button, you need to create your free account. And don't worry, the account creation is absolutely free, and you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So if you want to test this automation, you can actually test it completely free. And I already have an account, that's why I have signed in directly, and you need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now app. Okay, now after reaching to the dashboard, click on this blue button, create workflow. This is how we will create that automation. Give any random name to this workflow. I am giving it as Razorpay to Teachable to WhatsApp. Okay, click on create, and once you will click on create, you will see two windows will appear in front of you: trigger and action. So our automation is going to work on these two principles only. How? Trigger means when this happen, action means do this. So let's understand with an example. When a sale happen in payment gateway, send an email via Gmail. When a form is submitted, let's say in Google Forms, share a file via Google Drive. According to our use case, when a payment is happened in Razorpay payment gateway, enroll the user in Teachable and send message via WhatsApp. This is how our flow will be like. Okay, so let's select Razorpay in my trigger app, and the trigger event will be payment captured, because I want when payment captured, enroll the student. Okay, and as soon as I'll select these two options, you will see some set of instructions are visible here. You will have to follow these instructions in order to connect Razorpay with the Pabbly Connect. So I am copying this webhook URL and I will paste this URL in Razorpay, and this is how I can build the connection in between these two. So let's go to Razorpay account. I already have an account. Okay, so I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now what I was supposed to do, I have copied this URL and I need to paste this URL in the webhook section. From wherever you will find this webhook section, you will have to click on the settings and then click on this webhooks option, and from this blue button you can paste the same URL here. Keep the secret blank and choose the action event as payment captured, and then finally click on create. This is how you can build the connection in between Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Now what I'll have to do is, you can read it here, it is given the instructions. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record. So yes, I am going to make a test payment in Razorpay, and the details of the payment will be captured here automatically. You will see. So this is my Razorpay dashboard. Here I can choose payment pages, and you will find my course which I have created here. It is the course. Okay, I am opening this course here and I am going to purchase this course so that I will be add as a student in Teachable. Okay, so Ashirai is purchasing this course. The email address is again ashirai824@gmail.com, and the product is I am buying PHP course by Neeraj Agarwal. Amount will be this and number will be 93404-92386. Okay, pay now. And you can see the payment is successful. Let's check Pabbly Connect whether this data has been captured or not. Yes, the response has been received. And let's see the details. The payment of 2900. Okay. Ashi is making the payment. Actually, it is the card detail. And here is the email ID, number, the course name, every details are here. Okay, so the first step of integration, that is connecting Razorpay with Pabbly Connect, is successful. Now what is our second step? We are going to send this payment details to Teachable and enroll the same person to our Teachable account. So let's select Teachable. Okay, but before I enroll the student in Teachable, let me tell you one thing, that I have several courses created in my Razorpay account. So I will have to define somewhere that on the purchase of this particular course only I have to enroll the user, not on in the case of other courses. Okay. So where and how can I define this kind of condition? Click on this plus icon and search for filter. Filter is basically the feature of Pabbly Connect, one of the amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, where we can set such type of conditions. Here all I need to do is to just set this condition. What condition? When the product name is equal to PHP course by Neeraj Agarwal, then only continue this workflow, otherwise stop it. Okay, so let's find the product name. Okay, I can find the details. I can find the details from here only. I do not have to copy and paste that particular thing. Okay, the Razorpay response is visible here only. All I have to do is to just map it, and let's find the product name. Okay, and you can see payload payment entity notes product name. Okay, equal to, what was our product name? PHP course by Neeraj Agarwal. Okay, let me even cross check whether the product name is correct or not. So let's refresh it. Yeah, PHP course by Neeraj Agarwal, it is the same. So now I can click on save and send test request, and we'll see what is the response. And the response is, of course, the condition is true and success, because our condition is actually this only. Okay, so this is how I have set this filter, set this condition. Now I can actually move with Teachable. All right, as an action event, enroll user in course, because this is what we exactly want to do. Click on connect, and you will have to click on this add new connection and add the connection here, the access details here, enter email, password and subdomain. Now from where you will get the subdomain, the instruction is given here. Let me tell you, you'll have to go to Teachable account, and from here you can actually copy your domain. Before .teachable, you need to copy the part before .teachable. Okay, so I am copying this Pabbly Connect as school. This is my subdomain. I am pasting it here. All right, and I am entering this email and password also. I have added the access. Now I'm clicking on save, and you will see the Teachable account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now all I have to do is to fill these details in order to enroll the user. The course will be same in which I would like to enroll the students. So this is the same course. Email ID, again I can map it directly from here. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? I am repeating the same thing again and again. Mapping. So mapping is basically filling out the above data, the above response, filling out the above response data with the second application automatically without copying and pasting any data. And mapping also means that you do not have to do this particular step again and again. Once you have mapped a particular field, it will be changed automatically on every submission or every payment captured. Okay, so let's fill the email address. Here is the email address of the student who has purchased the product. Now, username and password. Now, I do not want to create the username and password for the students. They can actually create it by their own. They will actually receive an email, and from there they can actually click on that link and generate their own username and password to access the Teachable course. All right. So I am clicking on save and send test request again. Let's see what is the response I'm getting. Okay, and you can see again the response has been received. Let's check our Teachable account whether this person has been enrolled into this course or not. So I am already in the students tab, and this is the course in which I am checking. And let's see whether Ashira, the details of Ashira has been added or not. I think I'll have to refresh it once. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, you can see Ashira has been added. That means the second step of integration is also successful. That is connecting Teachable account with Razorpay with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, what is our third step? It is actually sending the message to the student who has just got enrolled in Teachable account. So for sending WhatsApp messages, I am going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. What is WhatsApp Cloud API? It is the official cloud API which Facebook has recently launched. Okay, so let's choose WhatsApp Cloud API. Trigger event, action event will be send template message. Now, what is send template message? It is actually the normal message only which we are going to send to our students, to our customers. But WhatsApp asks you to first create a template of that message, okay, and then get it approved via Facebook, and then only you can actually initiate the conversation with your customers. If the customer is replying to your template message, then the communication can be start with the customers, the further communication. Okay, I will tell you about the template message in detail also. Just click on connect for now. Again, you will click on add new connection, and you'll have to fill these three fields in order to connect to WhatsApp Cloud API. So what you'll have to do, I will go to WhatsApp Cloud API account and find these details. So type developers.facebook.com in your browser and press enter. I already have an account, that's why I am going to sign in. I'm going to sign in directly from this particular my app section. You can create your account in developers.facebook.com for free. Okay, now the very first thing you'll have to do in WhatsApp Cloud API is to create an app and generate a permanent token. You can see I have already created several apps in my account. That's why I'm not going to create it from the scratch. The process of creating an app and generating a permanent token is given in the description box. Please watch that video, both the videos, and come back to this video again for creating this automation. Okay, so my app is my Connect Message app. Click on this app, and from the right side, okay, let's close it first. From the right side under the WhatsApp section, click on getting started. Here you will find all three details. Copy the token from here and paste it into Pabbly Connect. Phone number, ID, again copy from here, paste here, and then lastly WhatsApp business account ID, you will find it here. Copy and again paste it here. Now here, have you noticed a thing that the access token is temporary here. So I am doing it just for the video purpose. That is why I have used this temporary access token, which will expire in every 23 hours. But when you will send the actual messages to your customers, again I would recommend you to generate the permanent token first, for which I have attached the video in the description box. Please check that video and come back here. Okay, let's click on save and see whether the account is connected with Pabbly Connect or not. Yes, WhatsApp Cloud API is connected now, and you can see whatever the templates are available in my WhatsApp Cloud API has started visible because we are now connected. Now, what is template name? I have just told you that templates are actually the messages only which we have to create in advance as a template. Under the step 2, click on this blue hyperlink, click here. Okay, here you will find all the templates which I have created and already got approved. You can see with this green sign that all of them are approved. From this particular blue button, you can create your template, choose a category, give any random name. So let's say I am giving a name as payment update 1. Okay, choose any language. Let's say I am selecting an English language. Click on continue, and from here the body text, the main message can be composed from here. And if you want, you can also attach a header, a footer, and a call to action button as well. And the special thing about header is you can attach a text as well as media, and in case of media there are 3 options: image, video, and documents. So if you want, you can also send these 3 things as an attachment to your message. Okay, and one more important thing which people generally forget about and they are unable to create the template, they forget to add sample from here. Okay, so when you create a template, you will have to also add these samples. How? Let's say I am creating a message: hello Sonam, thank you for purchasing the course. Okay, now Sonam is the value which I want to change every time a new enrollment is there. Okay, so that is why I am not going to write this Sonam. Rather than this Sonam, I will add a variable in place of that. Okay, this variable will not come here, it will actually come right after hi. Okay, I want this course name should also be changed. That is why again I will keep this course as variable only, and you can see whatever values I want to change are now replaced with the variables, and whatever I am writing here can be previewed from right hand side. Okay, so this is how you can actually create a template. And again, do not forget to add these sample. Let's say in place of 1 I want Sonam, in place of 2 I want a course name, let's say PHP course. Upload any sample PDF file also, then only you will be able to create a template. For now I am cancelling it because I have already created a template and got it approved. Let me show you. Course, my template name is course purchased successfully, and this is the message which I have created, and you can see whatever values I want to change has been kept in the form of variables. Let's come back to Pabbly Connect and select my template, which is course successfully purchased, course purchased successfully. Keep the language code as it is, select template ID. Okay, recipient mobile number, to whom we want to send the message. Basically, I want to send the messages to the students who have just got enrolled. And who is that? Basically, she is Ashi Rai. From where I will get the details? I will get the details right from here, from the Razorpay. Did you remember that we have actually given the name also while purchasing the course? I am going to map the same number here, and don't worry, this number will be changed automatically every time a new payment is arrived, every time a new enrollment is there. Okay, body field 1 to what is this? Again, these are the variables, and body field 1 is going to be the name, so I will map the name here. Again, from Razorpay, what was the name? Okay, all right, and this is the name. Second is the course name, so I want the course name to be mapped from here only, which is here. You can see PHP course by Neeraj Agarwal. So again, whatever the values I have mapped are going to change automatically, and I have mapped the data which I have received from my Razorpay account. Now I am going to click on save and send test request, and you will see that Ashi Rai on his number will receive a message. What kind of message? The template which we have selected, something like this. So let's click on save and send test request and see whether she is getting any message or not automatically. Save and send test request, and you can see the response has been received and a WhatsApp message has also arrived. Let's see that message. So the message is, hello Ashirai. Remember, the person who has purchased the course was Ashirai only. Welcome to EdTech Academy, and this was the course. This is the course name which we have mapped. We have just received your payment for the PHP course by Neeraj Agarwal. A confirmation email for the course activation has been sent to you. Don't hesitate to contact us with any questions or queries. Regards, EdTech Academy. And did you notice I have also added two buttons here, visit website and call now. From where? Let me show you. I have even told you this earlier. From buttons option, it is actually optional, but I wanted to add it, that is why I have added it. You can select call to action, and here I have selected two buttons. Type of action is here visit website, and here is call phone number. From here I have given the text of the button visit website and call now, and I do not want this link to be changed every time, that is why I have kept it static. And here I have added the country code, and here I have added the redirected URL and the phone number. So in case you want to add several buttons along with the message, you can add right from here. Okay, so this is how our automation is successfully created. Here I would like to tell you one more very important thing which I forgot to mention in the video, that read the instruction here. Enter the recipient mobile number with the country code without plus sign. So have you noticed that the number which I have mapped here is with country code without plus sign? So yes, WhatsApp Cloud API wants the number in this particular format. That's why I have added it in this particular format. So here I would like to give you a suggestion that while customizing your checkout page, this is my checkout page, you can mention it for your students that add the WhatsApp number with the country code like this without the plus sign, so that when your student is going to fill the number, they will not include the plus sign and they will also include the country code. So it was a small suggestion from my side. So our automation has been created. What exactly we have done is we have connected Razorpay and Teachable and WhatsApp Cloud API. Now lot of people ask me even after watching the video that do we really need to do this process again and again? Do we really need to come to Pabbly Connect and map the values? Here I would like to tell you that no, you do not have to do anything. Just simply close Pabbly Connect, close your WhatsApp Cloud API account, close everything. Now every time someone is going to make a purchase from this link, he or she will be automatically enroll into the course, into the Teachable course, and they will be get the messages like this automatically, whatever you have set up in the automation. Nobody has to do nothing manually. This is the power of the automation. In case you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at admin@pabbly.com or even share your queries in the comment section. Thank you.